So I'm going to see if I can get these dome lights working. I managed to have a look in there and jiggle them around, and I got one of them working, but only temporarily. So I bought a new set of these, which I hope will do the trick. I have this little screwdriver that I think came with like glasses, like sunglasses type of thing. And I found that if you just slot that in there and poke it down, it doesn't do any damage. So let's see how we go putting these globes in. Now these are 10 by 31 millimeter, 12 volt, 10 watt globes. So they can be a bit tricky. I think I can slot it in from this angle. How's that? We'll give that a go. Beautiful, that's on. Just check the door. Great, just close that up now. This just clamps back on, and I'll do the same thing in the rear. And there we go. I'll just leave them on the door position. They're not super bright, and I think you can get LED lights or brighter lights, but they'll do for now. It's better than nothing.